How to delete Google search history on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Google search history on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser on your phone like Chrome, Safari, and now here, once you're inside the web browser, what you can do is you can just tap on the search bar and there you can simply type google.com and you can simply search for it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from this section, what you can do is you can simply tap on manage your Google account. Now here on the next page, simply scroll down and there you can just tap on data and privacy. And here, once you are inside this section, then you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on web and app activity. And after that, you simply have to scroll down and there you just have to tap on manage all web and app activity. And after that, you can just scroll down and there you can just tap on this filter option and there you can choose all time, and with that you can just go and tap on next. And on the next page you simply have to tap on delete, and once you tap on it, this will delete search history only for your Google account, and all the data like YouTube maps won't be removed until unless you have selected it from here. So that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.